Good evening. This is Mark at the Wicked Edge Expert Corner group. We're on Facebook, and you can subscribe at our YouTube channel. I'm talking about sharpening strokes, and I would be remiss without talking about safety concerns. In particular, scrubbing strokes, up-down strokes. You are bringing your stone down against the exposed knife edge. Fingers dangling can get in the way. Scrubbing, but in particular is the down and on of the edge leading stroke. If you're not careful and aware of your finger placement all the time and your thumbs behind the plastic, or work with safety shields or finger guards or cut-free gloves. But if you do this enough, chances are you're probably going to get cut one time or another, just to remind you that it can be dangerous. So I just wanted to real quick say safety concerns with the edge leading stroke and with the scrubbing stroke. The edge trailing stroke, which are used with lapping films and stropping and in sharpening with the edge trailing stroke, that's a very safe stroke to use. Thanks.